This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn competitive programming from scratch. First, select a strong programming language such as C++ or Java, as they offer excellent performance. Next, dedicate time to truly understand core data structures like arrays, linked lists, and trees, along with essential algorithms like sorting and searching. Begin solving simple problems on platforms like LeetCode or Hacker. Rank to build your foundational skills and confidence. Once you have a solid foundation, it's time to dive into more complex topics. Study advanced algorithms such as dynamic programming, graph traversal, and segment trees. Regularly tackle medium difficulty problems on various platforms to solidify your understanding and develop problem-solving patterns. Also, grasp the concept of time and space complexity, often expressed using Big O notation, to write efficient code. To truly excel, consistent participation in online contests is crucial. Platforms like Codeforces and Topcoder host regular competitions that simulate real-world scenarios. After each contest, thoroughly review your solutions and, importantly, study the approaches of top-ranked participants. This helps you discover new algorithms and optimization techniques. Also, explore advanced data structures such as Fenwick trees for specialized problems. Continuous improvement is key in competitive programming. Consider joining a study group or finding a mentor to discuss problems and learn from different perspectives. Always stay curious and keep up with emerging problem types and algorithmic advancements. Remember, the journey is ongoing. Also, for those who love to learn and read, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keep practicing and enjoy the challenge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.